We had been in there for almost 3 days at this point, and there was credible information that something was going to happen that would be very detrimental to our being there. So, yeah, we all sat down. Everyone was part of the discussion about, you know, talking through all the options that, you know, may not happen.
The bombardment started, and at one point there was a different kind of explosion or a different kind of noise. And I thought, that was odd. It lasted a little bit longer, and I thought perhaps it was 2 or 3 impacts coming at the same time or in short succession. A little while later it happened again. It wasn't until the 3rd time it happened that I suddenly realized what it was, and it was thunder. But mixed in with the explosions. It was just a different experience, and it brought a smile to my face lying there sort of in the darkness.
One of the biggest accomplishments for the media team here was getting up a live stream so that they could show the world exactly what was happening in real time. And they believe that this really aggravated the Syrian government. Now, this is one of the live cameras that they had set up outside, and they're telling us that it was shot by a sniper's bullet that went in right there and then came out the other end.
Film out that too.
Do you want him to take it down first?
If he doesn't mind, yeah.
Just show it on the hook. Do you want him to take it down first?
If he doesn't mind, yeah.
Oh, he can? Just show you on the
is that, and for this we blame the Syrian regime, is we've repeatedly tried to go to Homs, to get into Syria, to get visas, to do it the proper way, and they were repeatedly refusing. So, unlike in many conflicts, we have ended up relying on people like you, on people who have uploaded these videos, and though we can't independently verify them,
of course,
the reason we are relying on these videos is because of the Syrian regime's refusal to allow outside observers.
Film out about 2 seconds.
Do you want him to take it down first?
If he doesn't mind, yeah.
Oh, he can? Just show you on the
this most recent crackdown, but that doesn't mean that it's any less terrifying. And then, of course, you always have the constant threat of these government sniper positions on various rooftops. And the activists that we move around with effectively have the mental...
to always have the constant threat of these government sniper positions on various rooftops. And the activists that we move around with effectively have them mentally mapped out in their minds to be able to
U.S. Embassy in Damascus posted a satellite image on Facebook today of an oil pipeline fire in Homs yesterday.